got a big snot there.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, you got ectoplasm on your hand.
DnD Labs. Hey guys, welcome to our Halloween video.
And what we're going to make today?
We're going to make glow-in-the-dark slime.
Yeah, we're going to make it look like ectoplasm. Show what they need.
I can't remember.
This is scales. We've got some scales and a mixing bowl.
And some glue.
Yeah, we've got PVA glue. A jug.
Yep, a jug. Pouring jug. Put some eyeballs in there.
We've got contact lens solution. And we've got...
bicarbonate soda.
Yep. And some... green food colouring. And we've got our special ingredient, the glow-in-the-dark powder. And we've got... No. And we've got half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon in a tablespoon.
And 1 tablespoon. And we've also got some gloves as well, because it's going to be very messy. So, first thing we need to do is get the scales. Let's put these to one side. So we need 4 ounces of PVA glue.
0.
So you want to pour this into the bowl until we hit a 4 on the scales. That's it. You need to pour lots. Now, once you've got your glue in the bowl, we don't need that for a minute, so we can put these to one side. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to mix everything else together in the jug. So, we're going to put some bicarbonate of soda in. We want half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Is it too tough?
Yeah.
You do the scooping.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't even do it. There you go.
Oh
So you want half a teaspoon?
Too much. I've used too much.
That's it. Go then. That's it. Right, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda.
I hope it don't mix.
We want 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution.
It's big. Oh, can I smell it? Can I smell it?
Don't need to smell it. Pour that in the jug.
It
It doesn't really have a smell. There you go. Right.
Oh.
Then a couple of drops of food colouring. Not too many because it'll be too dark. A few drops. Give it a little squeeze there.
You can't squeeze it. Whoa.
That's it.
2 drops.
And then the special ingredients. The glow-in-the-dark
You know
powder.
what it is?
So we want to pour all your glow-in-the-dark powder in.
And then we're going to put this into there.
And then you want to mix this.
Up.
Yeah,
Can I
mix.
do it?
Give that a mix. Once that's all mixed together, then we're going to pour it into our glue. And what's going to happen, the chemicals are going to react with the glue and it's going to turn the glue solid. Pour that into the glue.
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
Is that all of it? Get it all in.
And now what?
Now mix that all together.
Oh.
So once you mixed it all in, you can take it out of the bowl.
Yeah.
I tried this with gloves, but it didn't really work very well. You're better off just using your hands.
I told you.
And you'll see it's gone a little bit hard, but you still got that stretchiness
Can
in
I
it.
feel it? Ugh. Still. Whee!
So if you find it's too sticky, just add a little bit more contact lens solution until you get it enough that you can play with it in your hands and it doesn't come off. And you can stretch it. If you do it slowly, it stretches. But if you do it really quick, it will just rip.
And then you can turn it into 2 worms. So, example, if I make a dry worm, rip it, make 1 worm here, and then
Making 2 worms.
making 1 weird worm. A worm.
It's super stretchy. Look.
Yeah, this one's super stretching. Yeah. Get back on there. Ready? I'm going to turn it into a ball. This one don't turn into a ball either. It bounces. Mold it. Ball.
Is it bouncy? No, it's not bouncy.
Mine is.
Ugh.
Sorry.
It's like a big snot there.
Achoo!
Ugh. Ugh.
That's Oh my gosh. Pop the bubble.
Right, now for the cool bit.
Oh,
Are you ready to activate
Pop.
our glow in the dark?
Yeah.
So what you
Activate
can do
yours first.
to activate it, you can hold it in the light or sunlight, or we do have a special torch here. This is a UV torch, an ultraviolet light. So we can charge this up. You can start to see it, a little shimmer in it, a little bit. So put yours down, let's put it all together.
No, this is my half. I'm turning my half into a ball. And then I can roll it.
So we're going to charge it up with the light. That's it, charge yours up.
I want to do it.
Charge yours up.
Laser beam, laser beam. Ta-da!
See it glowing, and you can play with it while it's glowing.
Ready? Stretch. Stretchy bubble. Bubble. Giant circle. This is kind of cool, actually. It's like a mouth. Ooh.
Alright, you can charge it up.
Hello. Hello. This is an esophagus. This looks like an esophagus. Can I splat some 2 eyes on it? And this is his giant mouth. Bleh, bleh, bleh. This is blip, 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 lee. Check in there. Did you hear that?
Oh, you got ectoplasm on your hand. You can make different colours as well. We've got a blue one here.
Yeah.
You can make any colour you like. You just use different food colouring.
You can't make a white one because there's no white food colour.
And this one also glows in the dark.
It's made a weird monster that ectoplasm splat has. Look. It's a weird monster with hair. Ah, my monster's cut in. Ready? Ta-da! Hello. How you doing today? He bounces. Now, by the fun part.
There you go, guys. Super stretchy, glow in the dark slime.
And bouncy slime.
Is that fun?
Yeah.
Say goodbye to everyone.
Bye, guys. Have some ectoplasm.
Thanks for watching, guys. Have a happy Halloween.
Have a happy Halloween.
And don't forget
To like and subscribe.